TJ Maxx will pay you $7,000 every single month to work from home. And the best part about it, anyone can do this. You can do it from anywhere and you don't even have to show your face. Now let me show you how. Go to Google and you're gonna type in TJ Maxx affiliate program and you're going to click on the first link that pops up. And once you're on this page, the TJ Maxx affiliate program, scroll all the way down and then click on publisher sign up. You're going to fill out this form and then you're gonna get approved. Once you're approved and you signed in, go ahead and then choose a product you want to promote. And remember, the more expensive the product is, the more money you're gonna make. Head over to Pinterest.com and then create a business account. You've created your business account, click on create and then click on create idea pin. Then you're gonna create a simple ad where you add the picture, the title, and a brief description. Now the next step is super important and this is how you're gonna get paid. So pay attention. This is where you wanna add your affiliate link because this is how you're gonna get paid. Once you're done, you're gonna hit on publish. Now every time somebody clicks and buys through your pin on Pinterest, you get paid a commission. This is an example of how affiliate marketing is done. And if you want to learn how regular people just like you and me are making $100,000 a year from affiliate marketing, make sure you give me a follow and check out the link in my bio.